Can you go to your car?
No.
Get out my face. Go to your car.
You gonna fucking put hands on me?
What have I done? What have I fucking done? You got this on camera.
Hey man, stop recording and put your kid in the
I
car.
won't stop recording. It's like first. It's like no.
This starts like a routine disturbance call, but pay close attention. Alcohol, emotions, and children in the middle of the chaos are a dangerous combination. Officers aren't just breaking up an argument anymore. They're trying to prevent the situation from getting even worse. And trust me, this is only the beginning.
I'm sober enough, and my brother.
What's
Sir,
hold on a
you're
second.
copy.
Hold on, yes I am. Hold on a second. Wife and kids are in there?
Yeah. My wife and kids.
I think she's taking a minute, and then she's planning on coming back. That's what I think.
If you want to just go double check, we'll hang out with you for a second. Just
Is that all right?
Get wrapping up. Yeah, we're good.
Allowed.
Can I go look? She might be hostile to me.
Oh, then no, it's not.
Why are you talking to me about my wife?
Because right now, I want a third party to talk to. Number, you say,
Everything's fine.
That's all I need to hear.
sorry, do you guys already have guys in there?
Yeah, we got some video officers in there.
Are
trying to
they
get
like,
the wife out.
She doesn't want to see them too. Like him and them. She doesn't want to come out.
Okay.
I don't know if that's her kids or his kids.
Hey, are you guys staying at a hotel here, or are you guys like
Yeah.
off-site or whatnot? Are you at a Universal hotel?
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know.
Well, she just wants to finish up in there. She doesn't want to come out right now.
Hey, boss man, leave the stroller here with your brother, but we're gonna ask you to leave.
We're moving forward.
Okay. The stroller has to stay, but you gotta
It's
go.
got a bunch of our stuff.
Okay.
That's fine. We'll get it to you. We'll get it to your wife.
I'm missing my phone. I'm missing my cell phone.
Ask her if she has his cell phone. He's just like, so she's calling.
You don't know it. She doesn't have this stuff.
She doesn't know. She has no idea where his phone is. Yeah, she's about the same in the same boat. She's just staying with 2 kids. She doesn't have bags. She doesn't have nothing. So I talked to her. She doesn't have your. She doesn't know where it is.
She's blackout drunk. Can't you tell as a police officer she's blackout drunk?
I was talking to her, the other Universal person.
She has my kids. I'm her husband.
Leave the stroller for her.
Listen, all of you, listen. Do you think it's safe? Do you think it's safe to set a drunk woman loose on the city walk with 2 small children? Honest opinions all around, please.
I don't have my phone yet. Where's my phone? Have you
I
found
don't
my
know how
phone?
drunk she is.
Did you go back and find my
Universal
phone?
staff. I didn't talk to her. I asked them.
All
They
right,
asked her.
all right.
I haven't
Nick,
spoke
pull
to
your
her.
phone out. Record
At
this.
the end of the day,
If you record right now, you're gonna get trespassed. And that's gonna be written. You cannot come back. And I'm already
The
telling you.
business owner.
I am the business right now. And I'm telling you,
No,
you need to leave.
never mind.
Start walking. Start walking.
Let's get the f out of here. This is our stroller. I own this stroller.
but the kids. So you don't want the kids to sit in the stroller. You'd rather her drag the
She's
kids
too
around.
drunk to pull the stroller, brother. Because she drive a car.
Okay, that's all right. See you. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Breathalyze my wife.
Start walking.
Have a good day.
You know you're wrong.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm telling you, go out that way, or you're going to jail.
Make the right
Cabana Bay is that way. Cabana Bay is that way. That's where we
can
are.
get you. We'll walk you.
Walk us that way, yes.
Okay, we'll walk you that way.
I'm sorry.
You might want to give Cabana Bay a heads up, because when she ends up getting home.
Please help my kids. You're the owner of that restaurant. I'll sue you.
Listen up. If you come back tonight,
I'm not coming back at all, but if anything happens to my kids while I'm not here, I'm suing the shit out of you. If anything happens to my kids while I'm not in this bar, I'm suing the shit out of you. There's cameras everywhere. Class action lawsuit if anything happens to my kids. My wife is in that restaurant, blackout drunk. Please help. I'm asking you to please help her.
you're going the wrong way.
After escorting the husband away, officers return for the wife, who proves even more difficult to deal with.
You gotta go get the wife now? That's the plan?
Do you want to ride over there? Do you want to go in the shuttle over there? Hold on, guys. Hold on a second.
The husband may have been difficult, but now officers are about to deal with someone who's even more unpredictable. Notice how the entire tone of the encounter changes. When someone is heavily intoxicated, every decision officers make has to balance public safety with avoiding unnecessary force. Things are about to spiral fast.
Go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
What's that?
Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Yup. Go ahead. 2116, baby. 2116. You don't get anywhere. You're going all the way to.
What's that?
Are you choking on your officer's dick? Keep waving him to the side, you troglodyte bitch. Oh, I'm gonna keep walking down to the fucking sidewalk.
You are
you troglodyte bitch.
pretty flash talk.
Give me your fucking ticket, you troglodyte
I have a
bitch.
feeling this is gonna.
As if I don't make more money than you. I fucking make more money than you.
It doesn't seem like this is
dream of.
seem like this might be the usual.
Oh,
Wherever they're from.
Useful. Procreating with
Man.
Just trespass them all. Just drop them. Get the kids down now. Sit the kids down now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, we're good. We're good. We're leaving. We're leaving.
So we'll do it when we get back up.
No.
You're gonna leave the hotel too.
You let her walk with my kids. We'll sue the shit out of you.
You're not a good listener, are you?
I don't need to be. A lawyer will be. Are you? Shut up.
Anybody get hurt?
Did anybody get hurt? Actually,
Yeah, the kids have been dropped twice.
nobody's been dropped. Once we hit up the, don't worry.
That'll be
Don't worry
interesting
about
if she did
who
come
we
today.
know. Don't worry about who we know. The vacation will
that?
pay for itself. Hold on. Talk to me real quick. You're trying to force us to drive while intoxicated?
No, you couldn't.
No. I want to record that. Why not the university?
Because of all the drama you caused, you're getting kicked out. I don't know what to tell you, man.
I'm a multi-millionaire. Give me first line. I can go there.
You could go wherever you want as long as it's not a universal property.
As long. Okay.
That's the only.
That's fine. Thank you. Is our wife allowed time to get our shit out of here?
Whatever he tells you, that's what you're gonna
He's just walking up right
Excuse me,
now.
sir.
I mean, quick pack and go. Grab and go right now.
Can I
You
get?
got- We're ready for her to.
No. What's your officer's bidding for my wife? My wife's not here. My wife is not in this room.
They're looking for her right now.
Who's been watching my wife?
Nobody.
I told
She took off running.
I told you,
saw-
since
you
the
watched
restaurant.
her.
Since the restaurant.
Go pack
I
your
told
stuff.
No, I didn't say that.
You're
Yes.
being trespassed. You
Grab
have
your
to
stuff and
pack
just go,
and
man.
get out. End of story.
After the couple is separated on the walk back to their hotel, officers find the wife moments later in the parking lot, passed out on the ground.
Hello? Orlando Police? Ma'am.
What?
Orlando Police. Hello? You okay? Have a seat. You can stay there. You don't have to get up. What's your name, ma'am? Nope, don't get up. Just have a seat.
Finding someone passed out in a parking lot immediately raises serious concerns. At this point, this isn't just about bad behavior, it's about welfare. Officers first have to determine whether she's simply intoxicated or facing a medical emergency before anything else can happen. That's standard procedure, and it's exactly why they slow everything down.
Get up. Just have a seat. Just sit there. Yeah, you don't have to get up. Don't want you falling. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Juliana.
Juliana? Do you know where you're at right now, Juliana? Thunderbird?
Thunderbird.
You're walking in Thunderbird? Nope, don't get up. You have a seat. Yep, just have a seat. You know what day of the week it is? Wednesday. Other than Thunderbird, do you know where you're at?
Castaway, Castabana Hotel.
Where?
Castabana.
Castabana? How much have you had to drink? Is there any reason why you decided to lay down and fall asleep next to a car in the dirt? How do you spell your first name?
Juliana, Juliana.
Where are you from?
What is that in your business?
Are you from Florida?
No,
No. Where are you from?
no, none of your business.
None of my business. Okay,
No.
no problem. You do realize that you're obviously intoxicated. You're in public, so you can go to jail for public intoxication, okay? So you might want to reconsider the way you talk to people.
Yep.
So let's try this again. Where are you from?
New Jersey.
Thank you. So Juliana, check this out. They want you trespass from the property, okay? So after a fire department checks you out, if they say you're good to go, we're going to take you back to your room, and then you're going to have to leave. If you refuse to leave or come back at any point within a year, you'll be subject to arrest, okay?
That's fantastic.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, no, I perfectly understand it.
Okay, thank you.
Not all the scumbags. My bite's so hard. For a while. Low class pieces of shit. Literally what you are.
That's rude.
I don't give a bro. What are you doing here? Trying
here
to
'cause of
flash
you.
out of my face. You faggot.
Flashlight's on your face.
Let's try to be nice to the fire department, okay? All right.
What is that? What does that mean?
You're choking on a dick. I don't consent anything you do.
Sounds good.
Goodbye.
All right, let's head over there to where your room is at, and we'll get you out of here, okay? You're going to be able to walk on your own?
I don't trust you.
Okay, well, I don't really care if you trust me or not, all right? I'm a police officer. I'm not going to hurt you. All right, don't forget your glasses. I know glasses are expensive nowadays.
No, okay. I've already paid $500,000 for them. You
Yeah,
fucking suck a dick.
That's what I'm saying. They're expensive. They're right there on your left side. There you go.
You can suck a fucking dick,
Thank
bro.
you very much.
Oh, baby girl, they're making us get out of here.
Hey, stop recording. Listen to me.
I'm not
Sir,
gonna
stop
I
recording.
have the legal right to record. Don't you dare tell me to stop recording. I have the legal right. You see this pin? Listen, my father's a senator. You see this pin?
Yo, brother, come here.
Here's where emotions completely overpower judgment. Instead of cooperating and getting the family safely home, the confrontation keeps escalating. Every threat, insult, and refusal to follow simple instructions increases the likelihood of criminal charges. Sometimes the fastest way out of a bad situation is simply staying calm, but that opportunity is slipping away.
I need my wife here. You guys will lose your jobs real fast. Real fast.
Can you take care of his kids?
Yes.
Well, and do what? Put him in front of a car.
What am I gonna do?
Put him in front of a car with no key. She made an eyebrow. Put him in front of a car with no key.
You gotta go, man.
Thank you. Holding the door for my daughter. Letting her hit it in the leg. I'm drunk, but you let my daughter get hit in the leg.
What we're gonna do?
It's my fault that you're drunk, okay?
Yeah, no, you let the door close. It's my fault that you let the door close.
Alright, keep on walking.
You take this one now. You guys come pick up all the stuff in the room. And pick this up tomorrow when everybody's settled down.
Thank you. I'm sorry that this is happening. I apologize. Dude, come on, dude. Joey, baby. Where the f***
I'm getting kicked out for this.
So she's been detained and you didn't say nothing?
Keep on going.
She's been detained. You didn't say nothing?
Keep going.
She's been
You
detained.
sucking these fucking dicks.
Go to your car. Go to
Okay.
your car.
Okay. Okay. You gonna put hands on No.
Get out my face. Go to your car.
You gonna put hands on me?
Yeah, we will.
You gonna put free hands on me?
Think about this very carefully.
Stop talking. Stop.
Okay.
keep walking.
And if I spit on you, that'd be
Stop.
Go to your car. Keep going. Keep on walking.
Julie, stop. Julie, stop.
fucking faggots, bro.
This cop
You
is
fucking
this
faggots,
gentleman.
bro.
This guy is a good cop. The one behind.
Fucking dicks, bro. 1, 2, 3,
up,
4,
baby.
5, 6, 7, 8. Suck
Just
fucking
sue them
dicks,
later.
bro.
Sue them later. You have enough money to sue them later. Just shut up and sue them later. Genuinely. Let a lawyer do it. Shut up.
Shut the fuck up, you
Car.
Grab my kid, Nick.
fucking ass bitch, bro. Fucking ass
Go to your car. Go to your car.
Oh, on video camera. You turned it off.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fucking ass bitches, bro.
Let's do this. Put the chains behind your back. Let go of the kid. Let go of the kid. Let go of the kid.
What have I done? What have I fucking done?
Julie, stop.
What have I fucking done?
You want to get charged with resisting?
Free speech, motherfucker! Free speech, motherfucker!
Turn that way.
Free speech, motherfucker!
Okay, cool.
Alright, I got you! I got you! You got this on film! You got this on camera! You got this on camera, bitch! You got this on camera!
Juliana, are you acting like this in front of your child? Okay. We got it all on camera too, okay?
Go to your car. This is the last time I'm telling
The
you.
Tesla key doesn't work without her Tesla key. Please get it, sir. They took your mommy from you. They took your mommy from you. Who cares?
Hey, man, stop recording and put your kid in the
I
car.
won't stop recording. It's my first. It's my no. Stop. Get
Put
off
your kid in the car.
Get off of me. Get my
Put your kid in
kid.
the car.
Get my kid. My brother. Get my kid in
Go
the car.
get the rest of your stuff.
What's that break?
Go get your suitcase.
Okay, I will record. I'm not going to stop recording. It's my constitutional right to record. I want every face. I want every back.
Get your suitcase.
Absolutely. Forces out. $1,000 worth of shit. Forces out. Oh, you want me to help me? Oh, jeez. You forced me to do that. Now I gotta take time to repack
How
it.
about you put your phone down and pick your
No, how strong am I? I'm a muscle man. I'm gonna fuck, even with 2 arms, I'm gonna stop that from happening.
Yo.
But I will put my phone down to do that.
Hey, he's going. Put your arm on your back.
My phone's on the ground.
It's behind your back.
Stop
That's
doing that. I'm not fighting anybody. My kids are over there. For
Let me
what?
take this bag
My
off.
phone's on the ground. Nick, maybe please grab my phone. I wanted to pack my shit. You're just forcing it on me. Please stop. I just want to get my shit out of here. I just want to get my shit out of here.
You've done this to yourself.
You're intentionally making one person. Why are you doing this to me, brother? Why are you doing this to me, brother?
Oh, you're not ready? You're not fucking ready? You're not fucking ready, scumbag!
Just look at the car, man. Oh, so listen here, all right? Listen here very fucking clearly. Do not fucking try to kick any of us. So sit there and relax. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Because then you're
Scumbag.
gonna get put on the ground and you're gonna
Scumbag.
dump you on your face. So
Scumbag.
stop.
Scumbag.
Stop. Now you're going to jail for a
Scumbag.
felony, okay?
Scumbag. I hope you fucking kill yourself, bitch. I hope you fucking kill yourself, bitch. Get the fuck off me, fucking scumbag. Will you get a fucking urine because I'm fucking drunk, you fucking scumbag?
No, you're going to felony because you just kicked an officer.
Oh my god.
And this is the turning point. The moment physical contact is made with an officer, the legal consequences change dramatically. What may have started as trespassing and disorderly conduct can quickly become a felony battery on a law enforcement officer. One split-second decision just changed the entire outcome of this night.
God.
Just pull the seatbelt up. Just
Oh my
put a
god.
seatbelt on.
Let go my fucking wrist, you fucking scumbag. Let go my fucking wrist, you fucking scumbag. I'm fucking ready to go to fucking prison, you fucking scumbag.
Okay.
You fucking Puerto Rican piece of shit.
Thank you.
You fucking illegal piece of shit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fuck you.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
Okay, that's not nice.
Don't fucking touch me.
Okay, that's
Don't
not nice.
fucking touch me.
Thank you.
You fucking scumbag.
There's no.
Alright, step in there. Alright, hold on.
Again, what's my reason for being arrested?
You already told you, step in there. Step in there.
No, can I get
Step
your
in
sergeant's ID? I want to speak to a sergeant.
Why do you need to speak to a sergeant?
Because I'm being arrested illegally. This is illegal detainment. This is illegal detainment by this gentleman right here.
Okay. Watch your knees. Watch your knees.
Fine, go ahead, brother.
By the end, what began as a family vacation ended with multiple arrests, criminal charges, and a long legal battle ahead. It's a reminder that alcohol, anger, and refusing lawful commands can turn a simple disturbance into a life-changing event in just a matter of minutes.